Oh my gosh. What's up,
Whoa.
guys? No. You missed.
Someone almost made me hit Reed.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be seeing
Putting
how
on a
long.
coat. Whoa.
Oh, okay, yeah. Drake needs a coat because it's, you know,
It's winter.
this.
And I'm wearing
Anyways, today we're gonna be seeing how long it smashes Reed's remote control robot thing. I don't know. We've already broke the 2 arms and a blade off without you guys. Sorry. I'm sorry. Just don't get when they say you're fine, but you're really not. So I'm just gonna chuck it on the ground just for instance. Video it. Can't shake it around really hard.
I don't know.
You gonna turn it?
Turn it. That doesn't work.
Oh my gosh, I meant turn. Yeah, like that. I broke the other blade off. The blade came over here, so I'm gonna look around. Found it. So, there's supposed to be 2 blades like this.
Can't see. We need some light.
See this blade right here? That's supposed to be on there. We broke, now it looks like that.
Drake, I chucked it on the ground, broke the
Other blade off. Why is this wondering what we're gonna do with this? Hey, what we're gonna do with this?
soccer ball time.
Drake! Anyways,
There
I'm
is.
gonna use a sledgehammer and hit this. Oh, I missed. I took a soccer ball and it hit it. I missed again. I took its legs off.
Ooh, look at this.
Ooh. Oof.
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 Wait, I want to see if its legs can move.
Oh, you broke the leg off. Can't move. Oh!
Sorry. You might. I found one half.
No, that one we needed to find. I think the other's smaller.
Oh, because this is plastic, we're gonna take about.
Hey, look! I found the batteries.
Reed, hold this.
They went this way somewhere. I don't care. What are the odds? It's
Let's
snowing
fix
out.
the bricks now.
It's snowing out and it's freaking white. What are the odds? Okay, these odds are pretty good.
Take this.
Where's the body? Video this real quick. I cracked it.
Hit it hard, Casey.
I broke it in half.
Time to eat.
Eating.
Eating. Take it. Okay, guys, we might end it here. So, guys, come in, come in. Guys, we might end it here.
We gotta eat. So, zooming and oh, that's zooming out. Whoops. Peace, guys. Wow, bye. Bye.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good time.